Nice to meet you. This is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. If today is the first time here, we do easy cooking recipes. Please do not make it the last time of visiting. If you subscribe or follow, it is free, so please do so for me. Thank you so much for doing it. We are making this sausage bread and you will love it. Let's get started. So my 3-year-old daughter is going to help us prepare this. Okay, in a bowl we have a cup of water. We added a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar. We are going to place it in a warm place for 7 to 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes she will go ahead and add 1/4 cup of sugar, and then she will mix it very well. Okay, now the next ingredient we are going to add is 3 cups of flour. We are using all-purpose flour. You can use bread flour, you can use soft flour, and then she will go ahead and add her salt. That is 1/4 teaspoon of salt. She will mix it very well, and then we proceed. Okay, thank you so much. Merry-go-round. So I realized that I had to take it from here. Okay, so I am very sure I added maybe small water to the dough, but I did not say it in the original video. So please add the water to the dough or to your flour bit by bit so that you can get that perfect outcome. Okay, this is how we have gotten to. Your dough is not supposed to be hard like this. Okay, it should be soft. Do you get it? So yeah, I would need the dough with 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, I am using plant-based. It has been a very long time we ate animal fat, yes, in this house, so this is plant-based. You can use any of your choice, and you can use margarine as well. Okay, knead it very well to become very soft. So this is how it looks. I'll continue to knead the dough. Now knead it for about 12 to 15 minutes. If you have time for your dough, trust me, you will get perfect bread. So now we are done with it. I will just place it in a warm place for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes we will be back and I will show you how it looks. So after 30 minutes, this is how our dough is looking. Trust me, very soft. Just look at that. Very soft. And I'll just take some of the air out and then cut it into the sizes that I want. Okay, and we are good to go. Thank you very much. Please, have you subscribed and have you followed? If you haven't, can you please do so for me? It is free. They don't take money. Please do so for me. Okay, thank you so much for doing it. I do appreciate it. So yeah, this is the sizes we are going for, and I will roll that into balls. Okay, I will roll everything into balls, and this is how it looks. I'll pick one and then do it one after the other. So I'm just going to roll it just how you are seeing on the screen. Okay, the English is finishing. Now I will cut it, and I did not start from the beginning, but I cut it in the middle, and I'm going to use my sausage, then roll it. I should have given it to Benita to do it because that was very simple. Okay, but she was disturbing me. So I sucked her. Now I'll go ahead and then use my egg and milk mixture to brush the top, and then we are good to go. But before that, I placed it in a warm place for 1 hour. So after we were done rolling it, I placed it in a warm place for an hour, and then after an hour I have brushed the top with my egg and milk. Let's bake this. So I use my oven. I did not use the air fryer. Okay, and now just look at that, perfect and delicious. We bake this for 30 minutes at 350. And please study your oven and know the right time and heat. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.